everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to create a Coinbase wallet. You can create a Coinbase wallet using the Coinbase Wallet mobile app or through the Coinbase website. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it using your mobile application. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Coinbase Wallet application from your App Store or your Play Store. After you are done with it, launch it open. Soon after you open the Coinbase Wallet app, click on Create New Wallet at the bottom of the screen to create a fresh self-custody wallet. You can claim a username for your Coinbase wallet for easier identification when sending or receiving crypto. Click on Claim My Username and follow the prompts in order to do so. You can also skip this step for now by clicking on Maybe Later. Now you will be able to create a new wallet. Go ahead and click on the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Settings menu, click on Security. Tap on the Wallet 1 option at the top and click on Allow in order to reveal your recovery phrase or private key. The 12 words recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen, which you'll need to copy and back it up somewhere safe. You can simply tap on Copy to Clipboard button and copy your seed phrases and paste it down in a secure folder. You can also use the Backup with Cloud button. Create a password in order to secure your secret recovery phrases. To backup manually, click on Backup Manually at the bottom and click on this Yes box over here and click on Complete Backup. After you've backed up your recovery phrases, your Coinbase wallet is ready to use. Start adding your cryptocurrencies to get started, and that's how you will be able to create a new Coinbase wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.